before, good morning. Welcome back again in math class. So, today we are going to learn the concept of lines and angles. With me, Miss Sondi. So, the aim of our meeting is to show you the connection between the lines and the angles. So, let us start. In here, we are going to learn about perpendicular lines. What is perpendicular lines? As the picture has been shown here, okay, perpendicular lines is the angle or lines that form 90-degree angle. Okay, if you see in the dictionary, the meaning of the perpendicular line means at an angle of 90 degree to a given line, plane, or surface. So if you take a look to the angle that been formed by these two lines, the size of the angle will always be 90 degree. That's why we call these two lines is perpendicular lines. Next, parallel lines. What is parallel lines? This picture shows us the two lines that been put side by side, and it's been going to be continue with a certain distance. If you check the meaning of parallel in the dictionary, you will find parallel lines means line or planes or surface or an object side by side and having the same distance continuously between them. Okay, that is the difference between the perpendicular lines before and now is the parallel lines. Okay, so the point of the parallel lines is having the same distance continuously side by side. That is the key point, the meaning of the parallel lines. And then the third one, going to learn about angle on a straight line. Okay, in the bracket, the sum of the angle is 190 degree. What does it mean actually? So here we go. According to the picture, you will see a lot of angle can be formed on a straight line. Okay, and when you sum all the angle that have been formed on the straight line, the sum of the angles will be 180 degree. So the key point that you have to remember about the angle on the straight line is the sum of the angle is always be 180 degree because the angle has been formed on a straight line. As we know that straight line has 180 degree. That's why the sum of the angle on the straight line will always be 180 degree. Next is the angle at a point. What does it mean? Before we learn about angle on the straight line, but now I'm going to explain to you about the angle at a point because the sum of the angles is 360 degree. Here the first question. See, right? The angle is not only been formed on the straight line, but is almost formed a full circle. As we know, that full circle is equals to 360 degree. That's why these kinds of angles will have the total angle equals to 360 degree. So the point of angle at the point is that the sum of the angles will equal to 360 degree. See the red circle there? So the total or the sum of every angle there will equal to 360 degree. That what makes angle at a point is different with the angle on the straight line. And the other one that you have to know about lines and the angles is the vertically opposite. What is the meaning of vertically opposite? If you see the meaning in a dictionary, vertical means in this case means that share the same vertex or corner point, not the usual meaning of up downs. But in mathematics, it means vertically opposite means that the interesting thing here is the vertically opposite angle are equal. For example, A degree will be equals to B degree. Okay, or we can call it is as a congruent angles. Based on this picture, we can know that the pink angle will be the same with the yellow angle, and the green angle will be the same with the blue angle, because pink and the yellow is the vertically opposite angle, and blue and the green is a vertically opposite angle. So I think that's all that I can explain to you guys about lines and angles and how line and angles connect one to another. Hopefully this explanation can help you to feel or to do some practices that your teacher will give to you. I'll see you in the next meeting. Bye guys.